Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your reservations in the Caesar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select there the second option, which is stay. And up there you can see that right now we are in the book a room section, and you should select the my reservations one. And here in this page you will be able to find all of your reservations. Now I don't have any because I didn't really use this application, and I am new in it, so that's why this page is empty for me. But if you are a regular user and you have, for example, upcoming reservations, you will be able to see them here. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.